Those screens dry me out with this heat. I sure could use a cold, refreshing beverage. Oh, Oscar! B! Can you please get me a juice? I guess they must have won out. Means I have to get it myself. I prepared for this moment with my backup fridge. Hot dog!
Hey, Milo! What do you think of our hey dance?
B did the moves and I did the lyrics. Whoa, dude. What's that on your head?
It's my invention. I call it a fridge hat.
A fridge what?
Well, let's say you want a cool, frosty beverage, but you don't feel like swimming across the room. What do?
I don't know.
Whatcha? Fridge hat! Try it for yourselves.
Wow.
Hey, this
something
is
else.
awesome. Where'd you get the 2 extra fridges?
I got so excited I made 100 of them just now. I figured an idea this good can't go to waste. Everybody's gonna want one.
Boy, Milo, for a guy too lazy to swim to the fridge, you sure are industrious.
You know, with a little paint and a glue gun, these things could be cute accessories.
So, what do you say? Are we in the fridge hat business?
Sign us up!
All right! Let's get out there and sell these puppies.